To look at is how to go about drawing the top view of the section pedestal. The sectional view of that top view would look something like this, where that cutting plane has cut away that top section over there, and that would obviously be what is left when I remove that section up at the top. You can see where the lines are, where it cuts through that cylinder. Remember, you still have those edges over there as the cutting plane goes through that edge and that edge and that edge and that edge. You must have that. Right. It's also cutting through these slanted parts over here, so make sure that you get those positions correctly in that top view. Right, to do that, well, first of all, we need to work using the information given from our right view over here. It's a full sectional right view. What I would suggest is that you draw a construction line going through here, just to get that point of intersection where that cutting plane is going to cut through that sloping part over there. Right. What normally stumps people is how do you get that 45-degree line in the correct place? First of all, they always recommend that you have a 20mm gap over there. It doesn't need to be a 20mm gap, but for your school purposes, they seem to like that. So make a 20mm gap over there. If it's not, it doesn't really matter. You just take a line going from the edge going up over there, measure off your 20mm or however far it is that you want to move it. Take a line going across over there at that intersection. At that point, you can draw a line using your 45-degree set square in order to find that story over there. Right. What we need to do is to find the back of the top view. Well, there's the back of the object, so I can take that up and I can take that across over here. And obviously that is the base of it, so well, there's the base over there, taking that up over there, and I can then draw that in automatically as a nice dark line going across from there to there. Right, where's the front of this? Well, obviously there's the front of the base of it, going up to that point over there, coming across over there. There's the edges of the base, so I can draw that in as well. And I can draw in the lines connecting the edges of that. There is the base drawn in nice and successfully. Right, our next thing is to find the back of this cylinder. Right, I'm going to take the back of the cylinder up. There it is, going up over there. I'm going to take that across. And I need to find my cylinder. There's the edge of the cylinder, going to that point over there. There's the edge of the cylinder going to that point over there. And I can draw in a line going between those 2 points. There's the back of the cylinder. Right, where is the front of the cylinder? There's the front of the cylinder over there. I'm going to take that up to the 45-degree line there. Take that across. And I have the edges of the cylinder going up to that point and that point over there, and I can now draw in that line going across. Okay, I'm not going to join that line and that line up straight away because, well, there's some information that's still missing, but I can draw in these lines showing the inside hole over there. Going across over there, that's the inside of the hole. Going across over there, there's the inside of the hole. Let's just have a look at what I've just drawn there. You see that line and that line over there? That's what I just drew in over there and there. You can see there's the inside hole. Right, what I need to find is this piece over there. I'm going to take that up and across. So that line and that line, taking that up, taking that across, taking that across. Okay, I know that I can draw a line going from there to there. It's the back, there to there. Let's just show you what I just did there. See that line over there, that line over there. That's what I've drawn in over there and over there. I can now draw in that little piece of line over there showing the edge of the cylinder. Okay, and obviously I can draw in that part over there and that part over there. That's that little piece in there, that little piece in there, and you can see that on this diagram over there and over there. Right, once I've got that in place, what I need to do is to find where does that sloping part get cut. Well, there's the edge of that sloping part that is being cut by the cutting plane. I need to take that up over here to the, there it is, taking it up to the 45 degree, take that across over here, sorry, the right pencil, there we go, and you can see where the cut is over there and over there. I can do that nice and dark straight away. There's the cutting plane cutting through that sloping part, there's the cutting plane cutting through that sloping part, and I can now find the bottom part of that sloping part, which is over there. I'm going to take that up to the 45 degree over there, take that across over there, and I can now draw in. There's the edge of the sloping part over there, there's the edge of the sloping part over there, and I can draw in a nice dark line going across there, a nice dark line going up to that line over there. My cylinder goes up to that point over there, cylinder goes up to that point over there, nice dark line going up to that point over there, nice dark line going up to that point over there, and you can see now that I've got my cutting plane, that's this part over here, which I need to hatch, and there's still a little bit of the slope sticking out at the bottom. All right, so there's still a little bit of the slope. There's this part over here, which is sticking out at the bottom over there. Let's just hatch that quickly, and don't forget your center line. Remember, center lines are very important, and this is a cylinder, so please put that in. Make sure that that's in so that you don't lose marks. And we're just going to hatch this very quickly with our 45 degree set square. Always remembering 45 degree set square is the way that it's done. There we go. Obviously, I've used colored pencils to do the construction lines. You are meant to use very, very light lines when doing those construction lines, lines that I should not be able to see. There we go, top view done. And obviously they would like you to write a little message saying that I've got a full sectional top view, much like what I've got over here saying full sectional right view. And that's it.